I have my ALTEC Lansing Super Life Jacket JOLT, and it comes with 2 screws on the bottom. I already mounted the one. Had to order these. It's a 1/4-inch male with the GoPro adapter on it, or a camera. You could use them with anything. Basically, you need these to screw into there. And as you can see, and then you want to mount them out. So as you can see, this one's that way. I'm going to reverse it. I'm going to try to go inside as much as I can. And I make another screw. Wait, I got a shorter one. Don't need the longer ones. Outside of mine. I can mount it directly to my bike. And then just put the lockers in. Oops, Houston, we have a problem. And lock it into place. Cool, right? Had to search this out on eBay to find these. How am I going to mount my speaker to my bike? And that's how I roll. Can't wait to play some music.